In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. This function is incredibly useful for anyone working with large datasets, as it allows you to search for specific values in your spreadsheet and return related information. Let's dive right into it. First, open a Google Sheets document where you would like to perform a VLOOKUP. If you haven't created a spreadsheet yet, start by creating a new one. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets homepage and selecting blank to start fresh. Once you have your spreadsheet open, the next step is to prepare your data. Make sure you have your lookup table set up. This table is where VLOOKUP will search for the information, and it should be structured with the lookup column being the first column. Once your spreadsheet is ready, the next step is to highlight where you want your VLOOKUP result to appear. By selecting a cell, you are setting the stage for where all the magic will happen. This helps in organizing your spreadsheet efficiently and keeping results in a designated area, making it easier to track and manage your data. Now decide on the item that you want to look for. This is your lookup value. It's the piece of information you know and want to find more details about from your table. By specifying this item, you are giving VLOOKUP the starting point it needs to begin its search. After determining your lookup value, it's time to actually input the VLOOKUP function. Click on the formula bar where you can start typing, and enter the formula by beginning with an equal sign, followed by VLOOKUP. What follows should clearly delineate your search parameters, the lookup value, the range of your table, and the index number of the column from which you want to extract data. Moving on, you need to choose the specific range in your Google Sheet where the VLOOKUP function will operate. This is critical because your range tells VLOOKUP where to look and from where to draw the necessary information. Remember, your lookup value must always be located in the leftmost column of this range. Once you've highlighted the range, it's important to finish constructing the VLOOKUP formula. Here you'll type false, which tells the function to look for an exact match in the second column of your range. Using the term false ensures that you get the precise match you're looking for, which is essential when accuracy counts. Finally, double-check your formula to make sure everything is correct and all references are pointing to the proper cells and ranges. Once satisfied, press Enter. You should now see the value returned in the cell where you typed the formula. And that's it. By following these steps, you've just performed a VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. By mastering VLOOKUP, you'll be on your way to streamlining data processes and making informed decisions based on the insights your spreadsheets provide. Thanks for watching, and happy